Hello, Oscar Carmona for Healing Ground Certified Biodynamic Nursery located in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. Here today to talk to you about how to get pepper seeds to root. Getting pepper seeds to root or to germinate is a little different or tricky, more tricky than with regular fruits or vegetables, in that they require more consistent heat. And in a way to get that, I don't recommend that you plant those seeds directly into your garden. Soaking your seeds first is a good thing, and then I'm going to take these seeds and I'm just going to get them and put them on this towel, and the extra water is just going to be absorbed by the towel, and that makes sure that there's sufficient moisture. But I don't want a standing amount of water in the bag that I'm eventually going to put these this towel with these seeds in it into. I'm going to fold this towel over so that I have some moisture around the seed, below and above, and then I'm going to actually fold this over again so that I can neatly place the towel with the seeds in it into this Ziploc bag. And I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to slide these towels, there's two ply, I've used 2 towels for a little bit more strength. Slip that in. I'm going to close this up, and this basically serves as a mini greenhouse for these seeds. And now I'm going to take and put this on top of my water heater. It's a great source of heat, continual heat, that just about everybody, I hope, has in their homes. And in about 2 weeks to 24 to 21 days, 2 to 3 weeks, you should have some germination. You should see little initial roots emerging from the seed, and at that point you can determine which ones were the viable ones and put those into a pot or into the garden itself. I sure hope you enjoyed this information as I enjoyed sharing it with you. I'm Oscar Carmona for Healing Ground Certified Biodynamic Nursery. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to get pepper seeds to root. Remember, feed the soil, let the plants feed you. Have a great day.